Thunderstorms very early this morning, and the 1 o'clock hour began to rumble, became severe, and they threw out some gusty winds. Those gusty winds flew out from the storm, causing an outflow boundary that we captured here on our tower cam time lapse from Home of Economy location in Grand Forks. If you watch closely low in the sky, you'll see this cloud rolling in, ominous. And look at that. That's called a roll cloud, caused by the burp that came out of the storms up to the north near Donaldson, causing 80-mile-per-hour gusts. It got gusty as well in Grand Forks, but as you can see now, just a few fair weather clouds way up high in the atmosphere there. In Fargo, it's 83 degrees. We have a little bit of a wind out there, but all in all, it's been a pleasant Thursday. Cooler weather off in central Minnesota. Still some clouds there and a few sprinkles near Wadena showing up on the radar. Warm that up to near 100 degrees in the central Dakotas again, and that heat really dry out there. Look at this. Nothing showing up, but we do have a couple of blips on the radar screen right now starting to develop there. But for our area, we're very quiet except for that Wadena County area. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast as we set things into motion this evening. Once again, for the evening hours, most of us will stay dry and warm, but we cannot rule out isolated thunderstorms, and our model paints the best chance of those in the James River Valley. We'll keep our eyes on that as we always do to give you first alert if anything becomes severe overnight. Things look quiet, but Hutch cannot rule out an isolated thunderstorm that, once again, if they do form in the heat and humidity of our atmosphere, could be quite strong, causing mainly hail or damaging straight line winds. Friday, starting out in the 60s. Pay attention to this afternoon forecast as we go through. Watch what happens. The heat of the day kind of pushes into the valley, those 90-degree temperatures out west. A few of us in our western counties will have a shot at that. Increasing clouds from the west during the late afternoon hours. Initiation of a few thunderstorms will be possible in the afternoon in our western counties. Some of these storms could be strong. Isolated ones could be severe. Hail, damaging wind will be the main threats as we go through the afternoon. So keep that in mind on a very hot close to the work week. Lakes Country, you too will be warm. Your chance for storms east of the Red River Valley increase after the dinner hour and into the overnight. So we'll keep you posted right here. Download that Valley News Live weather app. It's free. Search VNL Weather in the App Store today to get the very latest. As for example, this morning at 1 in the morning, I sent out a video to all of our app users in the area of concern. So you were ahead of the storm all morning. Temperatures soaring to 88 degrees, increasing storm chances very late in your day on your Friday in Fargo. The sun set 8:26. So Mike, mow your lawn before then. Temperatures elsewhere, warmest from Grand Forks, Fargo, and Point Southwest. A chance at a 90 here or there. Mid-80s for our viewers in Lakes Country. Here's another fantastic shot of that roll cloud. This is a great example of what it kind of looks like a cigar-shaped cloud that's kind of moving along as that gust front exits away from the thunderstorm. Holly, thanks for your shot near the Reynolds area. Thanks all of you for your shots. Here's a look at your planning forecast after rumbles Friday night into early Saturday morning. It's quiet most of the area. For Saturday, 83 in Fargo as we cool off a pinch. Back to some hot weather Sunday and Monday with hit and miss storms Sunday. Monday's heat will be near 90. Then after that, some cooler air tries to punch its way in with a few storms on your Tuesday.